Amsoil and Liqui Moly. They're two titans of the oil industry, and both have legions of die-hard fans who'll swear their favorite is the absolute best. One is the American upstart that pioneered synthetic oil for cars, promising insane protection and marathon drain intervals. The other is the German champion, famous for its precision engineering and being the perfect match for European engines. So, are you wasting money on the wrong one? Is one of these premium oils actually better for your engine and the way you drive? Forget the marketing fluff, the endless forum debates, and the blind brand loyalty. Today, we're putting them head-to-head in a data-driven showdown. We aren't just looking at the logos. We're digging into the technical specs and real-world performance numbers that actually matter. We'll look at cold start protection, high-temperature stability, how long they really last, and the all-important manufacturer approvals. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which oil deserves your money, whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or a long-haul road tripper. Before we get to the numbers, we have to understand the fighters. Who are Amsoil and Liqui Moly, and what's their core philosophy? Because their whole approach to making oil is fundamentally different, and that's where this battle really begins. First, in the American corner, we have Amsoil. They introduced the world's first synthetic motor oil to be certified by the API back in 1972. Their entire brand is built on being the best and pushing the limits. Amsoil's message is all about maximum protection under the most brutal conditions. They position themselves as a brand that dares you to stretch your oil change intervals further than you ever thought possible. On certain products, you'll see claims of 15,000, 20,000, or even 25,000 miles between changes. This is central to their identity. They formulate their oils with high-end, pure synthetic base stocks and beefy additive packages designed to resist breakdown over a very long time. Think of Amsoil as the marathon runner of the oil world, built for endurance, severe service, and ultimate durability. Now stepping into the ring from across the Atlantic is Liqui Moly. This is a German brand through and through, wearing that Made in Germany badge with pride. It has been voted the #1 oil brand by readers of Germany's biggest auto magazines, like Automotor und Sport and Autobild. Unlike Amsoil, which is all about pushing drain intervals, Liqui Moly's philosophy is about precision and specificity. Their strength is their massive portfolio of products designed to meet and exceed the notoriously strict specifications set by European car manufacturers. If you drive a BMW, a Mercedes-Benz, an Audi, or a Volkswagen, chances are Liqui Moly has an oil with the exact OEM approval code your owner's manual demands. That's their superpower. They're more about selling you the perfectly correct oil for a standard interval that keeps your warranty safe, and your finely tuned German engine running exactly as its engineers intended. Their reputation is built on being the specialist, the OEM-approved choice that gives you peace of mind. So the stage is set. We have the American endurance champ versus the German precision specialist. Let's see how they stack up when we let the data do the talking. Our first test is one that every driver in a cold climate dreads: the winter morning cold start. That moment you turn the key and the engine groans to life is when a ton of wear can happen. If oil is too thick, it can't flow fast enough. This is where we look at two key numbers from the tech data sheets: the pour point and the cold crank simulator viscosity. The pour point is the lowest temperature at which the oil still flows. A lower number is better. It means the oil stays fluid in extreme cold. CCS viscosity measures the oil's resistance to being pumped when it's cold. A lower number here means the engine can turn over more easily. When we put our two contenders head-to-head, a pattern shows up. While both brands have excellent performance, Amsoil consistently posts stronger numbers in extreme metrics. For instance, a spec sheet for one Amsoil product might show a pour point of -50 degrees Celsius, while a comparable Liqui Moly product is at -42 degrees Celsius. What does this mean for you? If you live where temperatures plummet way below freezing, that superior cold flow could be the difference between a smooth start and a struggling engine. Now, Liqui Moly is no slouch here. Its performance is more than adequate for most winter conditions. But for the absolute coldest climates, the data gives a clear edge to Amsoil. For round one, based on its frequently superior pour point and cold crank viscosity numbers, the winner for extreme cold weather protection is Amsoil. From the freezing cold, we're now going to the blistering heat. This round tests how these oils hold up under the most stressful engine conditions. Whether you're towing a heavy trailer up a mountain, Spending a day at the racetrack or just stuck in traffic on a scorching summer day, heat is the enemy of motor oil. It causes oil to break down, lose its viscosity, and even evaporate, leading to less protection. The key scientific test here is the NOC volatility test. In simple terms, this test measures how much of the oil evaporates when it gets hot. A lower percentage is way better. It means the oil is more stable, holds its properties longer, and you're less likely to top off. This is a direct indicator of the quality of the base oils used. Amsoil again shows a strong advantage in many product matchups. In some head-to-head spec comparisons, Amsoil's flagship oils show a significantly lower percentage of burn-off. One comparison shows Amsoil Signature Series with just 6.7% volatility, while a competing Liqui Moly product comes in at 9.5%, a substantial difference. This isn't just a number. It has real-world effects. Lower volatility means the oil resists chemical breakdown and stays at proper viscosity. This is critical for modern turbocharged engines, which run incredibly hot. Better heat resistance means better protection against sludge and deposits. It means the oil you put in your engine is closer to the oil you drain out, without having evaporated away. While Liqui Moly provides strong, reliable protection, Amsoil's formulations are exceptionally robust when it comes to thermal stability. For drivers who put their engines under severe load towing, racing, or living in hot climates, this advantage is undeniable. For round 2, due to its consistently lower NOC volatility scores and superior resistance to heat-induced breakdown, the winner is Amsoil. This next round hits on a huge factor: convenience and long-term cost. How long can you really go between oil changes? This is about saving time, money, and reducing waste. Here, the two brands have totally different philosophies. Amsoil versus Liqui Moly. Who wins the ultimate battle of endurance and OEM approvals? Amsoil leads in endurance, offering drain intervals up to 25,000 miles for long-distance drivers. Liqui Moly focuses on precision, meeting strict European manufacturer standards for peak performance. Choose the best for your engine. Check your owner's manual to decide the winner today. And this is where Liqui Moly absolutely dominates. This is their home turf. Liqui Moly has built its global reputation on mastering specifications. They offer a huge catalog with numerous products carrying the official, certified approvals from a massive range of manufacturers. When your new Audi under warranty needs a very specific oil, you can be certain that Liqui Moly has a product with that exact approval code printed right on the bottle. This gives drivers incredible peace of mind. Amsoil, while making exceptionally high-quality oil, has a different strategy. They often formulate their oils to meet or exceed the performance requirements. But they don't always go through the expensive process of getting official certification for every single one. So while an Amsoil product might be a fantastic choice for a German engine, it may not have that official approval code your dealership looks for. In the event of an engine warranty claim, the lack of that specific approval could become a huge headache. There's a subtle but crucial technical point here. Many European specs require a higher high-temperature, high-shear viscosity to ensure oil film strength. Liqui Moly's oils are designed to hit that. Some of Amsoil's flagship oils are geared more towards American and Asian specs that prioritize fuel economy. It's not about one being better, but about being correct for the engine. For any driver under warranty, the best oil carries the correct OEM approval. The stakes are too high. In this critical category, Liqui Moly's dedication to certification is unmatched. For round 4, as the clear leader in providing specific, official OEM approvals for warranty compliance, the winner is Liqui Moly. So, after 4 rounds, where do we stand? Amsoil swept the board on raw performance-winning cold starts, high heat stability, and longevity. But Liqui Moly took the final crucial round of OEM approvals, which for many drivers is the only round that matters. This brings us to the most important takeaway. There is no single universal winner. The best oil isn't about the brand. It's about matching the oil to your car and how you drive. Declaring one brand superior would be a disservice to the technology in these bottles. The real winner is the educated driver who picks the right product for the right job. So let's break it down for you. Which oil should you buy? If you are a high-performance enthusiast, someone who tows heavy loads, a driver in an extreme climate, or a high-mileage commuter who wants the convenience and value of fewer oil changes, the data clearly points toward Amsoil. Its superior performance in extreme temperatures and its proven ability to last for incredible distances make it the champion of severe service. However, if you own a European vehicle, especially one still under warranty, the answer is just as clear. You should choose the specific Liqui Moly product that carries the exact OEM approval your manufacturer requires. In this case, the spec on the bottle is more important than the brand. Liqui Moly's dedication to meeting these precise standards makes it the safest and smartest choice for protecting your investment and your warranty. For the average driver of a domestic or Asian car on standard oil change intervals, Liqui Moly remains a very safe and reliable option. Ultimately, the first place you should always look is your owner's manual. That book in your glove box is the final authority. It tells you the viscosity and, most importantly, the specification your engine needs. The true winner of this showdown is whichever oil in your hand meets that specification perfectly. So now that you have the data, I want to hear from you. The real-world results are just as important. Which oil do you run in your car and why? Let me know down in the comments. Are you on Team Amsoil, Team Liqui Moly, or do you run something else entirely? Sharing your experience helps everyone in this community make a better choice. And if you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next head-to-head showdown. We're here to cut through the hype and give you the facts. Thanks for watching.